Tomorrow we're on our way to Havasupai, very excited, and today we decided to do a little quick video on all the gear that we take in with us. The hike itself from the trailhead to the campground is about 10 miles, and we have to carry all of this on ourselves. So we decided to optimize for weight and take as much lightweight stuff as possible. So first of all, tent. We got Nemo, and I'll put the links to all this stuff in the description. We got Nemo 2-person tent. It's very small, very light. It's about 2 pounds. It is on the smaller side, so if you're a couple, it might be perfect for you. If you're not in a relationship, maybe not so much. We got very light sleeping bags. We're going in May, so they don't need to be heavy or bulky. Just something to cover yourself while you're sleeping. We also got a hammock. Lots of people go with just hammocks. They don't even bother with a tent or a sleeping bag. There's lots of trees in the campground. So we got a double nest hammock for 2, just for relaxing during the day or even maybe sleeping at night. The heaviest thing that we have is this pad that will go inside the tent. This is self-inflating pad for 2. As you can see, it's pretty bulky and it's about 4, maybe 5 pounds. So that is the heaviest and the bulkiest thing that we have. That is as far as shelter and sleeping arrangements. We're obviously taking 2 backpacks. Just find something that's comfortable for you. Ours are 35 and 45 liter backpacks. Now on to hydration. So the hike itself is 10 miles. There's no water to fill up during the hike. So you have to bring all the water with you that you're taking on the hike itself. So we got this CamelBak bladder. That's about 2 liters. That should last us. And then we got some plastic bottles. The cool thing about them, you can actually put all kinds of beverages in them, or add electrolytes to them, and you don't have to mess up your entire water supply, right? And then we have this small plastic water thing that's actually kind of cool. It unfolds and it's very light. Without water, and then you fill it up and it's actual water bottle, right? And then once you're done with it, it doesn't take up any space. So that is as far as hydration. Open fires are not allowed at the campground, but you can bring a little stove. So we got this nice little stove. This came as a kit. You have 2 pans, and then you have a cup and some utensils. There's a fork and a knife in here that unfold, and a spoon, a knife. And it comes with a little stove that you could attach. And it's a tiny little stove, but perfect for that camping ground. That will attach to the propane fuel, like that. All right. We are bringing a little multifunctional kind of pack. It has a headlamp and a knife and some pliers, foldable pliers, a first aid kit. A knife, as you can see. Just something for all kinds of, in case something might happen or you might need anything. Then as far as food, we're taking mainly some freeze-dried Mountain House food. Beef stroganoff is really good. Their biscuits and gravy is okay. Then they have a breakfast skillet that we're taking, mac and cheese or mac and beef. So just experiment, find what you like, and then take a few of those. Some trail mix, definitely taking some instant coffee, some peanut butter, some bars, and that's about it. For lighting, we're taking these cool light bulbs that you can just hang in your tent or in a tree somewhere. They light up, and they have several options, and then blinking if you get lost or you need some help. Don't forget bug repellent. And then there are no showers in the campground, so we are bringing lots of wet wipes and some bug spray, some sunscreen. I've already mentioned electrolytes that go into your water, and that's about it. So some extra stuff that we're bringing along is this charger. This will actually recharge itself from the sun, and you can charge up to 3 devices from it. And then this is just an extra backup plan, and some books to read. And that's about it. Thank you, guys.